Hey everybody, welcome back to the Open Source Office. Once again, this is Tex. Again, I am the Open Source Program Manager here at Intersect. Today we're back with GameChanger Finance once again. They're going to give us a nice little demo of the wallet and some of the coding in the background, I guess. I'm going to leave it to them. Go ahead, Adriana.
Thank you, Thomas. Okay, this is going to be a very quick demonstration on how the apps connect to GameChanger, but that's not relevant. I'm going to show you what's relevant for us later. So yeah, let's get started. I will share screen. Okay. Let me know if you're watching. Are you watching, guys?
We're good to go.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a very basic demo, a very basic application that just connects to the wallet. The typical connect button and the typical connecting to a front end, connecting to a web app. So you can do this with, of course, with GameChanger. But what I want to make emphasis and to show, especially regarding open source and collaboration and security also, are the differences. The differences with other wallets and why this model has a lot to offer to the ecosystem. So here we have the wallet and an action request, right? This is the app connection taking place, connecting the app with the wallet. What I want to show, if I may do some zoom here, I'll do some zoom a bit for you to read. We have some information from the source of this communication established with the wallet. But basically, what's important here is that everything is permission-based. So no more black boxes. Here you can see what's going on. You can, if you know how to code, you will be able to audit. If not, at least you will have an idea of the intent of the deal, the intent of the developer. Because, for example, here we are reading that this the app wants us to share the name of our wallet and also to share the address of our wallet. These are permissions. The color green means that, okay, we're kind of safe. This is, it has to do with privacy, preservation, maybe, what we are going to do or not to do here, to approve or not. But it's not something like signing a transaction. If it were something like signing, the color will be, for example, red, right? Okay, if I go back to how this looks, I will click continue. I will put password of my wallet. And okay, that's it. If I click here, return with data, we have logged in, right, on the DApp. So far, okay, it's typical DApp, on the typical wallet. But let's go back once again to the same action, because here's where things get interesting for builders and for Web3 users. So when some DApp or some agent wants to connect to your wallet, what's actually happening is here. If I click on advanced and I start debugging or auditing what's going on, I can read the full intent of the DApp expressed in code on our DSL, on the domain-specific language, which is called GC script, and it's the way you connect to Cardano with our wallet. So here we can audit and we can say, oh, get name, okay, it's asking for the name of the wallet, get current address, right? And even there is something else going on here that it's just like a message, a string that is going to be echoed, let's say, back to the deal. And the nice thing is that if If I run this, as you can see, this is live debugger, so you can even do a step-by-step execution. You can audit everything that's going on. But this is another thing very, very relevant and important. We are on Web3. We need to have privacy-preserving systems. If we don't know what's going on our wallets, if we don't know what data we are sharing back or not, it's a problem, right? So if I want to interrupt the process and I don't want to return with any kind of data back to the DApp, this is something that any user must be able to do on Web3. And here, if I don't click here on this return with data, I will stop this process. I will maybe stop leaking important information that I don't want to leak back to the DApp. I may be able this way to stay anonymous. And even if you want to share the data, you can see what's going on. Okay, I want to know what message, what's going on here, what's the result of this execution, and what's going back to the DApp. And here you have this script, this connection has built this payload, this data that's going to be traveling back to the DApp. So I can check, okay, the name of my wallet, the address of my wallet, and a hash of a message, if I check the code, is going back to the DApp. I feel safe. I will click return with data, and I'm connected. So just that. Just a very quick demonstration on what's possible with GameChanger, why this difference matters for the ecosystem, how we empower users to control, to have full control. Even the user can bypass a DApp and maybe run whatever the DApp is suggesting to do on their own. Builders can fork this code because it's open. It's executed. It's being executed wallet side, client side. No more code being executed on services, on backends. It's all put on user hands once again, as it's supposed to be on Web3 mostly. So yeah, this is just a grasp of what you can accomplish, what you get when you use this tech, how we can shape a different Cardano altogether if we leverage on this universal language to build open protocols, open applications, to build on top of the work of others, as happened with Solidity, a universal language on our competitors, if I can say. We can have the same or something very close to that. This code, of course, does not run on-chain, but it runs on my browser, on my devices. I have full control. I can audit the code. I can fork it. I can even review the permissions if I'm not a tech-savvy person. And what you don't know is that these connections are URL-based. So even I can connect using an email or whatever other kind of medium I want to use, or QR codes, as Martin has done with his beautiful brand and hardware DApps that connects to Cardano. So yeah, basically that's. Thanks for watching.
Wonderful. Thanks so much, Sarah. Adriano, appreciate you going through that with us here. Again, we will get this up so everyone can see this as quickly as possible here. And we'll catch you guys on the next project demo and project support. All right.